Hey everyone, minasan konnichiwa. Welcome to our channel by Vasha. This is Bhargav.
This is Shalmali. We post easy peasy recipe videos on this channel.
So if you haven't subscribed yet, please do and do not forget to hit the
Bell icon.
So today we'll be making a traditional Indian dish called paneer butter masala.
We will be using paneer, that is cottage cheese, in this recipe. So if you don't know how to make paneer, please watch our paneer recipe video.
So without any further delay, let's get started.
In a pan, take half cup water, 2 cups roughly chopped tomatoes. We are using store-bought cut tomatoes. Next, add sliced 1/4 of an onion, 4 to 5 garlic pods, about 1 inch ginger roughly sliced. In spices, add 2 to 3 bay leaves, 1 black cardamom, 1 small cinnamon stick, 3 green cardamoms, 3 cloves, 2 slit green chilies, half tablespoon red chili powder, 10 grams butter, 10 to 12 cashew nuts. Now turn on the heat. Add salt as per taste and mix this well. Once mixed properly, cover with a lid and cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. Check if the tomatoes are mushy. In case the tomatoes haven't cooked yet, you can extend the cooking time. Let this mixture cool for some time. Now add the tomato mixture to a blender and make a fine paste. Also, you can take out the bay leaves, cinnamon and black cardamom. We are keeping them as is for a rich flavor. This mixture is the base of this curry. You can use this base for making a variety of curries. You can add mushroom, chicken or vegetables to this base and make your own version. This is how it looks. If you prefer, you can strain this mixture to make the curry smoother. Now, heat a pan and add 10 grams butter to it. Next, add 2 slit green chilies, 1 tablespoon finely chopped ginger and mix well until aromatic. If you prefer, you can add some more butter to this as well. Add chopped paneer and lightly toss until the paneer becomes slightly brown. Be careful as to not break the paneer. Next, add our blended tomato mixture in it and mix well. Add 50 ml water to adjust the consistency. Top it off with some cream for more richness. Also, adjust the amount of salt according to your taste. This dish is one of the most ordered dishes in India. It is one of our personal favorites too. It is also known as paneer makhanwala or paneer makhni. And there you have it. Your delicious paneer butter masala is ready. Enjoy!
Thank you so much for being with us till the end.
We'll be making more paneer videos, so please stay tuned and please like, share and comment if you like our content.
We would love to hear from you, so please do send us your suggestions in the comments below, or you could DM us on Instagram.
Thank you so much for watching. Arigatou gozaimashita. Bye bye.